Hello, this is the first series of videos on how to build a snowman. Actually, we're going to build a snowman scene when it's all said and done in Cinema 4D. And this is a project that's designed for people who have never used Cinema 4D before. It's for absolute beginners. It'll give you a chance to learn the interface, learn the basic tools, and just an introduction to simple modeling and texturing and rendering and so on. I have a series of videos introducing the Cinema 4D workspace. Make sure you watch that first, especially if you're one of my students in my class. Do watch the introductory video playlist before you try this project. So let's go to Cinema 4D. So we're all on the same page. First of all, make sure you're in standard workspace here, so that tab is enabled. Make sure you're in model mode at first. If you watch the introductory videos and the other playlist, you'll know that these modes, you have to be aware of what mode you are in, and I'll talk you through this entire project, I'll tell you what mode you should be in, but for now be in model mode. The brush selection tool should be enabled, and then finally click on view frame default. Okay, so we're all on the same page here. Okay, the first thing to do is to make a project folder. So on your computer, make a, I have my computer, I have a Cinema 4D folder, I made a Snowman folder, so make a folder called Snowman. Especially if you're one of my students, there are naming conventions that I want you to use. You can name your folder anything you want to, just so you know where it is. Okay, let's first save this project. File. Where is it? Save project as right there. Okay, click save project as. Navigate to your Snowman folder. I'm on a Mac, so your PC might, if you're using PC, it'll look different. But navigate to the newly created Snowman folder, and let's call this Snowman. Type in your full name if you're one of my students, and then this is just me, this is something I do. I'm going to put 001 at the end of the file name. The reason for that is in Cinema 4D, do I have too many spaces there? Yeah. Okay, so this 001 at the end of the file name is just kind of a habit I fell into. But in Cinema 4D, when you work on complex projects, you'll be in the middle of a very big project and you're about to make a drastic change. Cinema 4D has this save incremental feature, so I can save it incrementally and this number will increment to 2. Now, the reality is you don't really have to put 001 in there for this save incremental to work, but it's a convention that I use. Okay, just because I like to see it 001, 002, 003. It just makes more sense to me in my OCD universe. Anyway, so if you're my student, call it Snowman, your name, 001. Let's all do it the same way. Make sure you're saving it in a known location, and click Save. So our workspace is ready to go. We have our file saved in a known location, and we'll get started in the next video.